Hello, everyone. My name is Dmitry Semenov. I'm from the Max Planck Institute for Astronomy in Heidelberg, and I'm an astrochemist. The topic of my talk for this seminar is about the origin of prebiotic molecules in space and a long and perplex journey of the molecules through various stages of the evolution, starting from the dense molecular cloud cores to protostellar envelopes and then to protoplanetary disks and eventually comets and asteroids. And then I will be talking also a little bit about how this prebiotic organics could have been delivered onto the nascent Earth by exogenous bodies like planetesimals or interplanetary dust particles and meteorites, and how this prebiotic organics could have been synthesized in situ on the surface and in the oceans of the young Earth. Okay, thank you, and see you at my talk.